Hi guys, so for this video I'm going to show you guys some hair I got from Golden Crown collection.
Crikey. We go hard, we go hard.
So the package came in this tissue paper and it had the Golden Crown collection logo on it, and in this drawstring bag. Pretty nice and delicate. And these are the bundles that I got. I got two 14 inches, and these are the two 14 inches, and it's in natural brown. And I also got one 16 inch, and I also got a closure. Now this closure is pretty cool because it's the closure that comes with the different parting on it. So instead of you doing like I think they call it a 3-part closure or whatever, this one has 3 partings. So you see it has already come parted for you. If you struggle with getting your, does it come parted? Oh no, it doesn't come parted. It's just one. Look, it's just one closure. Oh, that's cool. I really thought it came parted, so it comes parted down the middle. No, you guys know how I am. I want to do do you guys see me putting this on my head like I'm not wearing a full-on head wrap? Do you see me slipping? Do you see me slipping out of frame? Do you see that? Yeah, so I'm not sure if I want to do a middle part or a side part or whatever, because this will be sewn in. I will not be making this into a wig, and I'll be sewing it in myself. These are what the closures look like, and on the closure it has the around it Golden Crown collection, and on the closures as well, for each closure you have the Golden Crown collection card, information card I like to call it, and it has Golden Crown collection 100% virgin hair, and the style is Venisette, colored NB, length 14 inches. Oh, and that's their phone number on there. Now this is a UK brand, so for all my ladies in the UK, this is for you, love. What was that? What was that? I love how soft it is. I love the luster. You see that? How nice and just healthy looking it doesn't look too shiny. My fingers are running straight through it. This hair doesn't feel as if it's going to give me any problems. I love how the ends are very nice and precise. They're not what you call them now, like ashy. I don't say ashy, they're not trashy, that's the word. So that's the 16 inch, is the first 14 inch. The first 14 inch, just looking at it, the curl doesn't start from the top. As you can see, it starts more from the bottom here, as you can see that. But the 16 inch, however, the curl started from the top. For the 14 inch, it didn't do that. Oh, for one of the 14 inch, for this 14 inch, it definitely did that. It started from the top, the wave. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put oh, let me show you the closure. The closure is pretty nice, and if I'm going to do it this way, you see the wave will start from the top of the closure as well. Wait, let me see. Not really. How about 3 inches of no wave there on the closure? So I'm going to do, I am going to put the 16 on first, the 16 inch on, as in it's going to go at the base hair, and then the hair that doesn't have the first 14 inch, that doesn't have the curl, the wave starting from the top, that's going to go in the middle, and then this goes on top, and then we're going to have our closure. So this, I'm going to have a full head of hair. A full head of hair, and being that I'm going to the hill, I wanted to sew it in, one, because I will be working out, and I don't like working out in wigs. I don't like working out in wigs. I don't know if people work out in wigs, and if they do, I don't know how they do that. I don't know where they do that at. I don't know how they do that. But yeah, so that's that. I just wanted to come by and show you guys what it looks like, so when you see the hair, you were like, oh, what's that? And of course I took out my eye just a lot. Your girl took them out so delicately, because normally I just chop off half and then pull out the rest, but I took them out so delicately because I will be reinstalling those I just say locks. They gave me so much life, and I looked so good in them. So I'm going back to what started me here, my hair on YouTube, and going back to some virgin hair. It has been a minute since I've worn It's been a minute since I've worn virgin hair, so I don't know. I hope I still have it, you know. I'm going to have my hair professionally cane rolled, and then I'm going to sew on the hair myself, probably today. And I may film it. I don't know if I will be doing that, but if I do, then yay for me. Oh no, I'll have to go home and collect all my stuff. No, I won't be filming that. That's gonna be too much for me. But yeah, So that's all I wanted to come and show you guys the Golden Crown collection. If you want to check them out on Instagram and on their website, you can definitely do that. I'll leave their information in the description bar below. You can just go and peruse, look at what they have. When they contacted me, I was like, ooh, nice hair, nice hair. So I'm glad to try these out. I really hope they work. I really hope they work, you know. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
Hallelujah. God, I bless your holy name. Lord, I just love on you today, Jesus. We go to church in our jeans and Timbs.
This is how we do it.
Reggae gospel we listen and we carry no hymns.
This is how we do it.